I'm going to show you how to create a business page on LinkedIn. First, head over to linkedin.com and log in with your personal account. Once you're logged in, click on the work icon at the top right corner of your LinkedIn homepage. Scroll down and you'll see an option that says Create a Company Page. Click on that. Next, you'll need to choose the type of page. You can pick from small business, medium to large business, or educational institution. For most, you'll select either small or medium to large business. Now enter your business name and customize the LinkedIn public URL for your page. Make it easy to remember and reflective of your brand. Next, fill in the details, like your website, industry, company size, and profile picture. The more details you add, the more professional your page will look. Finally, review everything. Then click Create Page. LinkedIn will create your business page, and you can start customizing it by adding a banner image, section, and post. And that's it.